What does a CS team need in order to be performing above expectations?
First of all, I think that a CS team needs a really healthy team environment where people understand what their role is and where their contributions have impact. I'm really thankful to work in an organization that looks at employee performance across the organization in two ways. You have your goals, and because we're a commercial team, our goals are very quantifiable, right? They're numbers-based metrics and revenue metrics. So that's a portion of how we review and understand the work that we do. But we also work in a world of what we call competencies. The goals are what you have to do. The competencies are how we want you to do it. And we focus on competencies like communication, collaboration, maintaining operations and procedures. And so what has been great for us as a team is we know what good communication is supposed to look and sound like, but we focus on what is good communication in this team, in this role, for this product, in this organization. And we spent the time really identifying how we want to work with one another. And we have agreement. If you don't have a really good shared understanding of what good looks like in those different measures, I think that's where you create opportunity for interpretation, deviance, change, and then you're not all measuring the same thing. So I think a really clear vision and clear expectations of role clarity are super important from the start. So I think creating a good community is important for any organization, in CS especially. Beyond that, I think that, really clear goals that are transparent. Everybody knows exactly not only what their goal is, but what units comprise it. There's no lack of clarity in how their goal was created, so they can trust it. And they know exactly what are the pieces to the puzzle to help them get to that space. On a day-to-day basis, I think it's providing them with the support and the communication that they need to go and be effective in the conversations with their customer, building them up and trusting them to be able to make those in-the-spot decisions. So nobody wants to have to be on a call with a customer and say, let me go check on that. Let me go ask somebody. So we've let our teams know, like, this is your ceiling, this is your floor. And then we've created processes. And so it's allowed us to also clean up a lot of back and forth inefficiencies and create a lot of trust in their ability to make the right decision in the moment. So I think you could also round this out with a lot of different tools and things like that. But I think it's really clarity of purpose and function and role, good community building, and creating space for them to go be the person you hired them to be.